They can pull together data that's coming from the port, from the vessels, from trucking companies, from handlers, from customs or to customs. So, and there are multiple more, but every port, and there are hundreds of ports in the world, have the challenge of how to get legitimacy of documentation, and a blockchain and smart contracts can actually overcome that problem. So, Morpheus.Network, with its contract first with Gulftainer, can now demonstrate to other customers that they have the ability to really help customers optimize their port network or their port operations, and make it far more efficient and effective.
And we see that this is one of the largest problems in the world today. Like it's not just, Morpheus is tackling the solution, tackling this problem with the solution.
Oh yeah, absolutely. With the supply chain blockages around the world, I mean, just look at LA port or many other ports in Shanghai, whatever. I mean, the biggest port in the world is blocked and in Shanghai, and every port is having problems because of the supply chain backlog, and the growth driven as a result of the spent up demand that was created by COVID. So, that's right. And this supply chain problem is not going to go away in 21. It's going to probably go through 2022 as well. So the faster you get a network or a blockchain like Morpheus.Network deployed, the faster you're going to know where containers are and how you can move them faster through ports.
Exactly. Demand forecasting, the traceability of the physical assets, making sure the certifications are all lined up properly. Everyone's singing on this off the same song sheet, right? And
exactly.
When it comes to COVID, and obviously, port system blockages through these, massive disasters that we're experiencing right now, this is where we can get these solutions implemented to, basically put a magnifying glass on how big the problems are, right? So great opportunity for us. And it's actually, I'd say lucky timing in a sense, getting this Gulftainer contract, getting it implemented with Gulftainer, being able to push the solution out to other ports like you're saying as well. Super, super exciting. Aside from Gulftainer, obviously, other companies as well are seeing what we're doing with, the automation techniques, as you mentioned as well, with smart contracts and these automated workflows that we can build for the different companies, really proving out how, in 2018, 2019, more of a learning experience about blockchain and the advantages, the features, what we can do. And now we're proving out to companies with these solutions. We don't even have to mention blockchain anymore, right? We just show them the benefits, their return on investment, the metrics we can show them based on the solutions. And yes, the back end of it, is automation. Back end of it is using various technologies, whether it's IoT, whether it's OCR, optical character recognition, all these different technologies we use and tie into the middleware, including blockchain, as you mentioned as well. It's amazing that we can now use the technologies as a back end to prove out how the solutions work for these companies. So it's very, very exciting.
Yeah,
and